In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bones in Blender. This is a crucial skill for anyone interested in 3D modeling or animation because bones form the underlying structure that allows models to move. Let's dive in and explore how to create these elements step by step. First, begin by launching Blender on your computer. If you're new to Blender, it might be a bit overwhelming with all the different panels and options, but don't worry, with practice, it will become second nature. After opening the program, you'll want to load the project you're working on or simply start a new one if you're practicing. Once Blender is open, select the object you want to incorporate bones into. This is typically a mesh you'll be animating, like a character model. Ensure you've selected the correct object, otherwise the bones might not attach as you expect. Picking an object first establishes it as the focus of your upcoming adjustments, which is essential as bones need to anchor to something specific in your scene. Next, look toward the top of the Blender interface, where you'll see a menu bar. You'll find an option labeled Add. Clicking this is your gateway to a variety of new elements you can introduce into your scene. This menu is where Blender's powerful additive capabilities shine, permitting you to extend your project with additional features like lights, cameras, and yes, bones. After clicking Add, a list will unfold, providing you with several choices. You'll need to scroll down through these options to find Armature. Armatures serve as frameworks akin to skeletons. Under Armature, there is a selection called Single Bone. Clicking on this will introduce a new bone to your scene, typically appearing at the 3D cursor's location. This single bone acts as a starting point, a blank slate ready for configuration and expansion. Now here's where the fun really begins. With your initial bone selected, you can press the E key on your keyboard. What happens next is called extrusion, a crucial technique that extends your bone's reach. By extruding, you're essentially pulling out additional bones from the original, allowing you to construct complex hierarchies and joint systems as needed for intricate movements. Continue extruding as necessary, mapping out any structure, from simple to intricate, that supports the animation's goals. And there you have it. The essential process of adding bones in Blender. This foundational skill unlocks a world of possibilities in 3D animation, providing the necessary support and flexibility for your digital creations to move and interact realistically. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be rigging complex models with ease. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide enhances your Blender experience.